Welcome. Today we are going to be doing something kind of cool that we've been waiting a long time to do. But first we need water in the house, which means we need to hook up the hot water tank, or just the water tank in general, which means we're putting water in the house. It should be the first ever well water we get. Oh yeah, it's here! Ha! It tastes very like nickely. It's not clear, but like it's not dirty either. We're going to start power washing the logs here, but we're gonna power wash them because we're gonna stain them. And that basically just makes it a better color and waterproofs the logs just a bit more. So now we can get started on the power washing. Daddy's gonna come up here tomorrow and start power washing. I'm not sure if he's gonna get all the way through. Hopefully he does, but I'm not coming tomorrow. So maybe we should do this here. See if we can tell a difference.
On dirty today, 3, but they had men up. Takes a pitch low. Can we do like we did in spring training a few years ago and just end the inning? Like he was going to. We'll see at least one. And he uses a batter's time.
The 8 walks today aren't all the
Birthday.
17. You've heard us talk a lot about fame.
9-3.
Buzzer beater, shootout.
There's life back here in the big leagues for St. Louis, but Hudson. So the Brewers touched on today. Earned run average in the National League. Chris Hook didn't tell him the right thing apparently, because he threw another pitch first. That's in the good. Yeah. That wouldn't.
I give this maybe 10 minutes before it overheats. Spray can. Okay, now we just gotta do this side. Okay, there we go. We got this side and the other side done. Yeah. Okay, so now that we got that dormer and that dormer done, we're just gonna paint kind of the rest of the house. I just didn't see it. So I have kind of bummer news. You can see it in the camera, those white lines, that's bleach from when we power washed it, and they're still there. So we're gonna have to power wash it one more time. There we go, all power washed. Now that we got power washing done, we can start staining it, and this is the last wall. Okay, there we go. Now all 4 sides are stained, and that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Bye.